Imagine cooking dinner for 10 different people from 10 different countries. Tall order, huh? And chances are, not everyone is going to like the meal equally.
Different things taste good and different things taste very bad to different cultures.
Now, multiply that by 1,000, and you have an idea of the challenge faced daily by Amway's Food and Beverage Lab. One person's idea of what chocolate should taste like, for instance, might seem much too sweet or much too bland to someone from another culture. So the lab needs to adjust the recipe to suit Amway's global markets and tastes.
So we have to pay a lot of attention to that. How do we do that when we can't always, jump on a plane and go to Malaysia or go to Japan?
Lynn Connor, senior research scientist, says her lab creates prototypes with input from many different sources. The scientists and researchers here collect input from an in-house tasting and testing panel, basically a human scientific instrument.
And they work with our CPR group, our Consumer Product Research Group. How they get their direction to know what to tell us is from consumer testing that we do in those markets with our target consumers.
Once the lab has its feedback and instructions, they begin formulation, starting small at first.
From here, from those small little benchtop batches, we can go to our pilot plant and make up a much larger scalable batch of those products and then test larger numbers of consumers.
Whether they're working on a Body Key meal replacement shake or Brainium's gummy chewable supplements for kids, the team follows the same efficient process. And one of the last things they do in the process is prepare everyone for frequently asked questions. For example, powdered products like Nutrilite's all-plant protein powder tend to settle along the journey from production to your doorstep. Here in the lab, they call that tap density, and they test for it.
Some of the frequently asked questions that we get from consumers are, I received a canister of your product. It was only 3/4 full.
But Amway customer service reps, with info from Lynn and her team, know that the canister was full to the top when it left the production line. It's expected to settle a bit, and the directions on the package accommodate for that.
So you're getting every little bit of the product that you're paying for and all the quality that you're looking for. It just settles over time.
In the Food and Beverage Lab in Ada, Chris Copes, WHQ News.